Before the weekly analysis begins, I just want to let you know that I do have a Patreon page. We have two tiers available. The first tier is called Start Off for £15 a month, and what you will receive is access to a Discord server containing the beginners, intermediate, and advanced course, risk management course for Elliot wave trading, as well as financial literacy content. This tier is also for those who want to learn at their own pace and generally just support what I do and just join a community of like-minded traders. The second tier that I have is called the Waveologist for £35 a month, and what you receive is everything that I mentioned above with the addition of specific chart requests for me to annotate on a daily and weekly time frame, and one-to-one support or group sessions depending on how many people have subscribed to this tier. The group or one-to-one sessions are for those people who want a little bit of extra help with their Elliot Wave education, and also give the opportunity to ask me as many questions. Please do keep in mind that these are going to be 1 hour sessions depending on how many people have subscribed, and also I would say please do consider joining. It is really good value for money, and without further ado, let's get into the analysis. Alright guys, welcome back. This is going to be my Elliot Wave count or update on Bitcoin US dollar. But first of all, any views or opinions that I expressed in this video do not constitute to trading or financial advice. So let's get started here with my annotations. And obviously from what I've said from the previous video, we are sort of heading towards this sort of upside, and we do have currently in the sort of the higher time frame, the daily and the weekly, we do have a break towards market structure, and it's a clean break as well, so I'm going to assume that we could be extremely bullish. However, at the same time, you know, when we look at this count, and we can understand that wave 1 is already in, wave 2, and this is obviously the wave 3, and we are of course sort of in this wave 4. When I add my Fibonacci retracement right here, you know, we shouldn't get more than 50%. So if the market does eventually sort of push up higher, then I can definitely say that we do have a clean break. And to be honest, when we look at the chart, we do have a clean break to the upside, and this could be considered as an impulsive move. So instead of this being the wave 4, we can have the wave 4 already in, and then this is the wave 5 right here. Obviously this is the wave C, and that will give us our wave 2 in the higher degree. And what we're expecting is essentially a impulsive move from here, which we are currently in, and what we're doing is essentially going to expect a 3-wave correction once this impulsive move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finishes. So we're going to expect an A, B, and a C, roughly around 50 to 61.8% of this entire wave, and then we'll then see some more upside to then eventually come in to give us our wave 1 here in the high degree, a wave 2, and then we'll come up for the wave 3, 4, 5, etc., etc. to the upside. Additionally, well, alternatively, I should say, if this count is still valid, where I did say that this is the wave 4, and wave 4 can go up to at least 1.618 of this A to B, so we still have enough room for it to continue to go up to the outside. However, it shouldn't go way beyond that, but if we do see some significant rejection at this level, then we could eventually see the market push down, and then what that will be is essentially our wave 5 to eventually come in, a wave C, and then a completion of our wave 2 in the higher degree, and then that will give us a sort of expanded flat, a nice expanded flat in a wave 4. However, it shouldn't go you shouldn't go way beyond the 50% level. So in and around here, it shouldn't go way beyond that. And then if we do get that sort of rejection, then obviously we're going to see some sort of impulsive move to the downside, and that will give us a 3, 3, 3 right here, another 3, 3, 3, and this will be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 3, 5, or an A, B, and then a C to give us our 4th wave, and then we'll then expect more downside, taking out these lows, giving us newer lows, and then that will give us our 5th wave, our C wave, and then our completion of the 2nd wave. And then from around these levels, we should expect maybe the market to eventually start pushing up towards the upside. So I hope you guys do like my video. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. I do have a Patreon for all of those people that are interested in mentorship. The link will be in the description down below, and I'll see you guys on to the next one. Take care.